How to fix Bluetooth connection issues on Android. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes to get Bluetooth working again. First, open the Settings app, then tap Connections and select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and also ensure the device you're trying to connect is powered on and in pairing mode. Now, tap Scan if the option is available, and wait a few seconds to see if your device appears. If it still doesn't show up, turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and try scanning again. Still not working? Restart your Android phone. Then return to the Bluetooth settings and try pairing the device again. If the issue continues, go to Settings, tap General Management, then tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and network settings, so you'll need to reconnect your saved devices afterward. After the reset is complete, enable Bluetooth again, put your device into pairing mode, and try connecting one more time. That's it. It will solve most Bluetooth detection problems on Android phones. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.